thank you for saying yes to be interviewed by our group. So let's jump into the first question, which is how do people in big cities enjoy nature?
Okay, so this question for me is quite difficult to answer because it depends on which city we live. For example, in Japan, I will give one example in Tokyo especially. There's a big garden in the middle of Tokyo. So like the park is, if I'm not mistaken, is what is in Shinjuku. So if people want to enjoy big nature like trekking or something, they will often go there. And for example, in Kuala Lumpur, there's Bukit Nanas or Taman Tasik Kita Wangsa. So I can say that even in big city, like there's also a place where we can enjoy nature, even though like but it must be like the initiative of the city itself. Like the city must provide the people with nature, not just big buildings. So that's my answer.
Thank you. Moving. How do you help to manage good nature alongside the growth of the city?
So personally, I think maybe by doing not littering anywhere, or maybe if the government they should plant more trees, or enforce the law, right?
Mm-hmm.
And for citizens, I think they should use the transportation like bus, bicycle, which is more eco-friendly. I think.
Alright, thank you for the brilliant answer and arigato.
Arigatou gozaimasu.